Rajan. We love Russia. We love Moscow.
Welcome back to my travel diaries of 2019, where things were normal. We're now in the Himalayas. If you've just joined me midway, you can find the previous episodes very interesting. I'll leave the links in the end. It's been over a week of travel since I've left the comfortable feeling of home and now slowly descending into a new normal, a mountain traveler's normal. We now become mountain men.
We'll talk about Baralacha when we get
Yeah, but because of Baralacha being closed, we were here for 4 days. One night we got drunk over here, drinking all evening.
this spot here, right? This table.
The Russians from that table got us a bottle of rum. We all finished that, followed by neat vodka shots.
Neat vodka. We got them rum. They got us chili vodka. That's where Len was introduced to chili vodka.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, this was our view. Oh, and I have to say, one of my most favorite photographs, I took a photograph 10 years ago, it's always stayed with me. It's one of my most favorite pictures, and that's the mountain up over there.
That's the mountain, that one. And there's this cloud on top, and it was just that.
Another very memorable photograph was this, which I shall do 10 years later.
हाँ, ये उनको भेज देना.
Take it.
Rajan.
Awesome.
Rajan. We love Russia. We love Moscow.
While KG tried understanding the nuances of being a vegan,
What will happen if that happens?
What are you talking? Human man?
You know, a lactating mother.
Mother cow or mother woman? Woman. It's getting very.
But where is the moral compass of the vegan bending towards? If that's the scenario?
It's allowed, it's 100% allowed. That's what he cleared yesterday.
From the humans, it is allowed. Yeah, of course. We spoke of oral sex. Yes.
Cut.
Conrad, the tradition teller, tells us
We started riding as Cafe Bullet in the year 2011. That's 2011. 2012, 2013, 14, and in 15 we did 2 rides. 16, 17, 18. Cafe Bullet Goa. I think I'm finally a member. Harshal,
Your cheek, like.
Why do you ride?
I love it.
What about it do you love?
You feel, you just feel free, and it's peace of mind. Yeah, that's why I ride.
While the drone follows me, let me tell you a little something about mountain travel. Climb high and sleep low is the golden rule of all high altitude travel. Now let me tell you a little secret. You sleep very well when a river sings lullabies to you. This is the Bhaga. It's the first tributary that emerges at Baralachla and finds its way westward to go on to form the river Chenab in our neighboring country, Pakistan. This is Jispa, a beautiful village along the river fenced by the Pir Panjal and the greater Himalayan mountain ranges. You may forget the names, but you will remember how small you feel when you pass in the shadows of those peaks. Because of the wind,
एडिट पे कुछ नहीं आने वाला मैं जानता हूँ क्योंकि मैं एडिटर भी हूँ
the audio was really bad here, but I was trying very hard to convince Viju to take a dip in the cold, chilled waters of the Bhaga. After a lot of convincing, he finally agreed on one condition, that I made him look good. So let's do exactly that. Cue in typical B-roll vlog music. If you've come to the end of the video, it means you kind of like it. So do like and share, please. It helps.